Denman.
Is this gonna be on like the...
Please tell me, M-Dog, I'd like to hear about what you're doing over here in this bus, in this corner, studying with that thug look on your face.
It's gonna say corner. Yeah. Hi.
Please tell me about the unemployment rate in the United States of America.
It's pretty bad. What's the video?
Yeah, I'd like you to tell me about your gluten-free problem and how that affects your running.
I'm not gluten-free. And they don't account for a lot of the things that... What's the percentage?
What do they not account for?
Well, they don't account for discouraged workers.
Okay.
You know? Like some of these people probably... I'm not discouraged.
Oh, Steve, I'd like to know what you're doing this weekend at the Track and Field American East Championships.
Let's see. I'll be doing the weight throw.
Yeah.
Really? No way!
And some watching.
The cereal just tastes better, and they're okay with it because they don't know.
But aren't you technically stealing from the gluten-free students?
I'm not stealing from them.
Okay,
Let's talk talent.
we're supposed to talk about track.
I love track and field.
Yeah, what about it?
It's brings people together and they compete really hard and it's a lot of fun and there's a lot of energy and everyone's really different, but we love multis.
You are well fed.
Amber, how do you feel about your thefts?
I feel fine about her thefts, and sometimes I even help her.
Thank you.
Anything else?
Yeah.
I hear you doing the 1K.
Yeah, 5 of them actually. 5 of them. Yes, in consecutive orders. So I believe that's actually called a 5K actually. I believe so. I'm not too knowledgeable on the whole addition thing, if you want to call it that. But yeah, pretty much nailed hit the nail right on the head. It's the expression I guess they use.
How does track and field affect the unemployment rate?
Oh, oh, well, it's, takes up a lot of time. People don't have time to work.
Spikes are expensive.
You're gonna fail your essay.
Oh, well, thanks.